Hello, my name is Dev Patel. This is my assignment 3. It is an iOS weather application built using Swift UI. The app uses Open Weather API to fetch the real-time weather data. For that, I have set up my account using my school's email ID. Here's my email ID and here's the API keys I have used for it. For this project I have used this one. I was using this one just to practice the because this API wasn't working. So moving forward, I'll show you the code. I have created an file to decode the JSON. It stores the data like city, temperature, weather conditions, humidity, and also the wind speed. This files is basically just to handle the API call using the URL session. It uses this observable object and the published to update the UI. I have also put a loading state using isLoading to demonstrate the delay of getting the data and also show the progress bar. Coming to the main UI of the interface, this is the main user interface built using the Swift UI. It includes a drop down, this one, which is to select the city, which are stored in the variable called cities. I have also made another variable called selected city to show the default city as Toronto, and while the drop down runs the app, the drop down says the Toronto and shows the data of the Toronto city. This displays the weather information and updates dynamically, and I have used this view builder to what you can say, to accommodate how the background should be, how the background image should be if it's cloudy, if the word says cloud, if it says clear, if it says snow, if it says a little, because sometimes it says little rainy or drizzle. Didn't mention drizzle, but I'll make it the drizzle, but yeah, you can do that as well. And if giving you an error, I have put it sunny, so we can get it as sunny by default. Here are the 4 images I have used: the cloudy, rainy, snowy, and the sunny. Let's run the project for now. When the app launches, it loads the weather data for Toronto automatically. When I select a different city, let's say I select New York, the app calls the API again. The weather data updates dynamically. And for the background feature, I have shown you earlier. For this, I have used the different images to showcase how it can be, and already add in an opacity for that as well. Also, when you change to one city to another, I have put this loading indicator. I can say it's a progress indicator is shown while data is being fetched. I did also put a small latency to demonstrate the network delay sometimes, but because the network was working too fast, so it wasn't showing any kind of progress bar. But I did put this just to showcase that I did implemented it. And that's it for my whole presentation. Also, through this, I have figured out how to use the API and how can I work things around and make an official app. I do know that I need to work on more cities, and I also add some more features like wind speed, in which wind direction it's moving, and what's the uh, weather throughout the day, and how it's gonna be in the coming hours or in the coming days as well. I'll also work on that as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Good night.